Alright, we're back. Let's see if we can find something to make this work. Okay, this we're not using. Let's get this one out of here. It goes over here wherever it came from. Hopefully this one fits in here like it's supposed to. Good, it goes less than diameter, so that means it'll work. Alright. This takes a sleeve. I think I got a sleeve. Oh, that got way bigger. You don't want that. Turn that thing down. Okay, that feels like it went undersized. Perfect. Take our bar. Maybe it'll just clear. Perfect. That's a good thing. But that just barely makes it. Barely is what I live by. Okay, should be enough honing. We got to get the stone broken in the sleeve, broken in the hole, so hopefully the hole is still straight and round. Well, I know it's round, it's just whether it's tapered or not. Seems like most all of that crap went out. The hole mark, or chatter marks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this all up. And we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Okay, you can see the hole is not 100% honed out. Did knock off some of the high spots though. Still see a little bit of waviness in there from the chatter from the reamer and boring bore. But overall, doesn't look too bad. Definitely a lot smoother now. Feels a lot better. Alright, so where's the caliper at to measure it? What did I do with a caliper? I lost a caliper. How can you lose a caliper? Good question. I lost the caliper. Ah, there it is. Put your tools back and you're done with it. Works a lot better. Okay, what are we up to now? 57. 57. 57.5. 56.5. Dial that around at the bottom. So I really can live with that. Alright. So we're pretty good. So we got 57. So this needs to clean up with a 3-thou press fit. We need to be at 60. We're at 72 right now, and this is a rough ass finish. It's going to be 10 thou to clean up this rough ass surface. Doesn't leave us a lot to work with. So I was hoping that it wasn't quite that big when I cut it. Oh well. I was hoping for 53, it cut 55, 56, so it is what it is. I don't have a lot of room to work with here. So a couple inches hanging out, I don't know how much. Yeah, about that much. Should be enough. Okay, let's see what we got to work with here. We are 2 inches in length. 2 inches right there. Probably pull that back in about a 1/4 inch. Good view of my feet down there. Getting a good view of my feet and my ass, huh? Yeah, I'm sure everybody wanted to see that. We only have the best videos around here. Yeah, we don't screw around our videos. Okay. There you go. Alright, where's 2 inches at now? Okay, about 1/4 inch from the edge, that'll work. It's tight. Put it around. That's a good sign. Let's see. Where's my mic at? Okay, here's our lathe mic. How good the lathe mic is. Let's find out how good the lathe mic is. First thing I do is clean it. You go all the way down to 0. See what their air is. Looks like they're a couple tenths less. So just under the 0. So that means we're 2/10 of the good for an air. I can live with that. I think I'll be lucky to cut within that close. Okay, let's see what we got over here now. It's supposed to be 872. 871.5. Read that. These are only good to 1/2 thou. Well, they only read to 1/2 thou, they're only good to 1/1000 is what they claim. Mics read to 1/10 of a thou if they have linear. This does not have the linear on it, so it's only measures to 1/1000 thou. The accuracy is usually about 1/2 thou on a mic. Okay, first thing I do is measure the run out on this. See if we got enough to work to. My biggest problem is going to be putting a hole in it. It's hard. Should be enough material to work with there. Yeah. See how close you really are. 6 average. Worst up front there. 4 thou like that, that should be enough to clean. We got 10 thou to work with, so should be able enough to do it. Should be able to clean it about 6 thousandths. Let's see. One way to find out. Cut away. Let's see how hard this stuff is. Don't know until you cut it. hard. Hard. Not exactly round, but I wasn't expecting much more, so there you go. Hot roll steel. This could be relatively soft or relatively hard, depending on which one it is. This grade here should be in the 30 Rockwell area, which it definitely feels like it's in that area, which means it's going to be really hard to cut. Drilling the hole's the problem, not cutting it deep. Alright, so we got it real deep. Okay, that was 1.5 thou off. A couple more thou. We need 60 is what we need to work with. 6 thous. Right now, we just feel like it's looks like crap, because it is crap. It didn't quite clean. It is cutting, not much. Alright. Yeah, a little bit smoother finish. Alright. There's a 1 thou pass there. That's what we're shooting for. Finish looks like crap. Looks like it's trying to finally clean all the way, but not quite. Yeah, cut one tile. We're at 4. 4 left to go. Ooh, that's different. Yeah, a little bit thicker on this side. Yeah, it's cut and tapered. Half a tile. I don't know why it's doing that, but oh well. Okay, we can go ahead and try to bore the hole out, and then we'll come back and do a final pass on that. Yeah, a little rough, but it'll work. Alright, the problem now is going to be cutting the ID out. Drilling. That's going to be fun. Alright, we'll be back.